Got a wet PPE. What's a jackhammer box? I think it's a Senko. Now this would have been most probably early 80s, maybe late 70s. I'll just adjust the camera, hopefully that's getting it. Alright, so I'll put a bit of panel beating on it. Take that part down, doing an overbite on the front. All we're going to do is get rid of the rust inside. Pretty bad rust. Got a couple little holes there, but it's only going to be for what you hear in your shed. So. You can buy silo, sponsored by no one, but I like silo, especially when it's hot dry work. Well, that's pretty much finished. I'll take a little bit out of there with a scraper. And inside the box I'll be lining it later. And we've got used to it. Now it feels going pretty good. Now I've got a panel beater. So I'll put it on time lapse again because you don't want to sit there and watch me tapping all day. See you in a bit. Just using that primer. Anyway, we'll keep going with the old toolbox. Catch you in a bit. Yeah, you put the spray paint into that model. Well, that's so I'm going to colour dip this. Auto dip the toolbox in there. Don't know how it's going to turn out, but anyway, we'll give it a go. We'll take a couple of those to do the whole toolbox. Oh, the paint wants to cooperate today. it out of it. Another little paint. Not sure I'm going to get the top, but anyway. Well, let's see how sort of come out. Like that, I can't dip it in over the big container. Let that dry and drain. That's how it's sort of come out. Pretty zany. I'm going to put clear coat over the top of that and paint the handle and the lock with some gold, fake gold paint. Catch you in a bit.